We'll guide you through how to make Roblox full screen and hide the taskbar. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Doing this can make Roblox a much better experience because you don't have the taskbar and you can see more of it. So there are a couple of different ways you can go about this, so let's go and get started. For the first way, you can use a shortcut key on your keyboard. So you want to go to the top to the F keys and go and tap F11. That should go and make it full screen. On a laptop, you may need to hold the FN key, which will be at the bottom of your keyboard, with F11 to go and do it. Go and see if that makes it full screen. The other way you can go and do this is by pausing the game by pressing escape or the Roblox icon in the top left, the escape key on your keyboard. Then you can go to the top, click settings, and you need to go and scroll down and find the full screen switch. And what you can then do is click it, and that will go and make it full screen as well. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful.